Ben, tulungan mo ko, Ben. Ben! Ben naman eh! Ay, sobrang init. Sobrang init na kailangan ko ng ice. Hi, Ritz! Love, love, hello! Shall we? Umulan malakas dito, te. Ah, umulan ba? Okay. Bakit? Ba't umulan? Mr. D! Hi! Shall we? ID number, hi! How are you? Ben! Ben! Hi, James. Sabi nila malalakas daw yung mga taga-Australia kasi. Oo nga, Ben. Sabi nila malalakas daw yung mga taga-Australia. Nagpapa-dragon. Ganyan. Nagpapa-dragon sila. Oo, malalakas. Mga taga-Australia. Mga yayamanin. Tsaka mababait sila. Pansin ko sa mga taga-Australia, mababait sila. Wala dito eh. Wala sila ngayon dito. Pero yan si Reaper. Yan, ano yan. Taga-Australia. Mabait sila. Malalakas pati. Hindi naman kita pinapabigay. Ito naman. Kung gusto mo lang naman, kung bukal sa loob mo, syempre masarap tumanggap pag alam mo yung bukal sa loob ng isang tao yung ibibigay niya. Hindi yung napipilitan lang. Yun yung gusto ko. Masa, hello! Yung na-appreciate niya talaga ako, kaya niya ako babagsakan. Nagsasuggest lang naman ako ng mga gift, kayo naman. Gusto niya lang naman, pero kung ayaw niyo, okay. Iba-iba naman tayo ng gusto sa buhay. Hi! R.I., hello! Gusto niyo ba? Gusto niyo ba? Gusto niyo ba? Oh. Anong wala? May damit ako. Sa FB tayo mag-usap. Bakit? Wala nga akong FB, hindi ako nag-FB. May FB ako pero hindi ko ginagamit. Automatic lang talagang nag-aano yung mga story ko dun. Pero hindi naman talaga ako active sa FB. Nag-share pero wala akong nag-titi yung mga messages. 0! Ben, okay na ba, Ben? Ben, ano na, Ben? Hi, Seven Gods. Hoy, Cedric, nakita kita sa ibang live. Sinasabi mo din yan. Calvin! Hi, Void! Hi po ate, ang ganda niyo po. Yung inaantok nga ako. I'm so sleepy. Yeah, where you from ba? Taga saan ka? Kelvin. Taga ano lang ako, ito lang sa likod. Oh, Canada! Hello! Are you a Filipino or are you a Canadian? What nationality are you? I wanna know. I wanna know. Hi, Gigi! Oh, Canadian. So you know how to speak Tagalog? You know how to speak born raised? Oh, okay. Love you, bata. Oh, nice. Son. Yeah, that's my son. Dilly. What is wrong with you? Well, I don't like your name. I like your name. Yeah, that is my son. I have a son. He's 4 years old. You know some words, but you don't use it. Happy Mother's Day. It's still Mother's Day? Thank you. Hi, Joe! How are you? Guys, alam niyo kung ba't kailangan ko mag-ride? Kasi papunta ako ng ibang lugar and I need pocket money. I need pocket money. We already booked it for like months now. So I need to go there. I need pocket money. I don't know money. So I need your gift, guys. I need your drop. Oh, nice! You have kids. Very nice. Sniper Milan. No, what country? Not country, just a place here in the Philippines. It's a secret. I'm gonna tell you guys. You're just gonna see it in my stories and when I'm live there. Blessed. Yeah. You have kids. Your English is good. Jeez. Oh, really? Is it? Yeah, I don't know that. Hi, Sniper. Yeah, maybe I'm just using speaking English. You know why? Because of the people here in Vigo. Like I always speak in English. Because there's a lot of foreigners here and people who don't understand Tagalog. Hi, Private. How are you? Better than some of my friends here. Oh, really? Hi, Julian. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, a lot of people told me that my English is good, but I don't notice it. You will fit here in Canada. Is it cold there? It's too cold. Yeah, and in the Philippines it's too hot. So, I don't know. I don't like places that are too hot and too cold. But yeah, there's a jacket in the Philippines since 97. Really? Oh, 97. So how old are you? I know old. I was 7 years. 7 years old. Oh, okay. I was born on 1998. So, yeah, you're older than me. You're older than me. You're 9 years older than me, I think. Well, me, 1989. Really. Hi, Professor! Roadrunner, hello, DM me. How can I DM you? If you don't give me gifts, I won't DM you because you don't give me gifts. You should give me something. Ano ang gift na gusto mo? Wow! Gusto ka fly together. I want that. Are you going to give me yan? Wow!